This is the 1967 AMC Marlin, a bold, fastback classic that tried to stand out in a sea of muscle cars and luxury cruisers. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. But why did it fail to leave a lasting impact, and why is it now considered a rare collector's gem? Let's dive into the story of one of AMC's most unique creations. American Motors Corporation, or AMC, was never the biggest player in the American auto industry. In the 1960s, it was competing against giants like Ford, Chevrolet, and Chrysler. But AMC had something the others didn't, a willingness to take risks. In 1965, they introduced the Marlin as a personal luxury fastback coupe. By 1967, AMC had redesigned the car to be based on the larger Rambler Rebel platform. This was the final year of production, making the '67 Marlin both rare and historically significant. Design and style. The 1967 Marlin stood out immediately because of its distinctive fastback roofline. Unlike anything else on the road, it featured a sweeping rear end that gave the car a sleek yet controversial look. The front was classic American muscle, wide grille, bold lines, but it's that long, sloping rear window that everyone remembers, for better or worse. Inside, the Marlin offered spacious seating, plenty of chrome accents, and optional luxury features like woodgrain trim and bucket seats. It was AMC's attempt to offer a sporty yet comfortable ride for the everyday driver. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1967 Marlin came with several engine options. A 232 cubic inch inline-6, a 290 cubic inch V8, and the top-of-the-line 343 cubic inch V8, which delivered up to 280 horsepower. Transmission choices included a 3-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic. While the Marlin wasn't a full-blown muscle car, it had enough power for a spirited drive, especially with the V8 options. Market response and why it failed. Despite its unique style and solid performance, the 1967 AMC Marlin didn't find much success in the market. Just over 2,500 units were sold that year. Why? Well, it was stuck between two worlds. Not quite a muscle car, not quite a luxury cruiser. It didn't have the raw power of a Mustang, nor the prestige of a Thunderbird. On top of that, AMC didn't have the marketing muscle to push the Marlin into the mainstream. Collectability today. Today, the 1967 Marlin is a rare sight, and that's exactly why collectors love it. With such low production numbers, it's become a sought-after piece of AMC history. Prices for well-maintained or restored Marlins range from $15,000 to $30,000, depending on condition and originality. It's a conversation starter at any car show, and it represents a time when AMC dared to be different. The 1967 AMC Marlin may not have been a commercial success, but it left behind a legacy of bold design and fearless experimentation. It's one of those cars that makes you stop, stare, and ask, "What is that?" If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more classic car stories, and don't forget to comment below, have you ever seen a Marlin in real life? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride down memory lane.